What is fishing? I don't know. I feel like that's a hard question to answer. I feel like people have this idea in their head that fishing is just this boring sport you see people do on the side of the lake. But to me, fishing means a whole lot more than that. You know, fishing's a lot like a roller coaster. It has its ups. And with those ups also comes its downs. And that's the beauty about fishing, is not knowing what's going to happen every time you get out on that water. You know, by far for me, one of the best parts about fishing is just being able to get out there and spend quality time with the people you care about. I remember growing up and my dad took me to this local pond and introduced me to the sport of fishing, and fast forward 15 years later till today, and I have some of the fondest memories with my dad, all because of fishing. So I don't know, I guess what I'm trying to say is that fishing, it's an escape. It's a way to spend time with my dad. It's a sense of freedom. And as anglers, we all get a little something different out of it. It's something that's hard to explain to somebody who's never experienced it. This is what fishing is to me.